The Vivo V50 is here to redefine the premium mid-range smartphone experience with its stunning AMOLED display, powerful Snapdragon chipset, and a versatile 50MP triple camera system. Whether you're a photography enthusiast, mobile gamer, or content creator, this device is designed to deliver top-tier performance in every aspect. The Vivo V50 features a gorgeous 6.8-inch AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate, ensuring buttery-smooth animations, fluid scrolling, and ultra-responsive touch feedback. The AMOLED panel offers rich colors, deep blacks, and HDR10+ support, making it a treat for watching videos, gaming, and general multimedia consumption. The quad-curved design gives the device a premium and futuristic look, while the high brightness levels ensure clear visibility even under direct sunlight. Whether you're binge-watching your favorite series or playing competitive mobile games, the Vivo V50's immersive display won't disappoint. At the heart of the Vivo V50 lies the Qualcomm Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 chipset, a powerful processor that balances performance and efficiency. Paired with up to 12 GB of RAM, this chipset ensures lag-free multitasking, smooth gaming, and fast app launches. The Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 is designed for AI-driven optimizations, delivering better battery efficiency and improved performance across various tasks. Whether you're editing videos, streaming content, or running multiple apps at once, the Vivo V50 handles it effortlessly. For gamers, Vivo has integrated a dedicated cooling system, ensuring that the device stays cool even during extended gaming sessions. The Adreno GPU delivers excellent graphics rendering, making games look stunning and perform smoothly at high refresh rates. The Vivo V50 boasts a flagship-grade triple camera setup, allowing you to capture high-quality photos and videos in any scenario. 50MP main sensor, a large sensor with AI-powered image processing, ensures crisp details, vibrant colors, and excellent low-light performance. 50MP telephoto lens, 3x optical zoom, capture distant subjects with stunning clarity, thanks to optical zoom and OIS, optical image stabilization. 50MP ultrawide lens, get expansive landscape shots and group photos without distortion. The AI-enhanced camera system ensures that every shot is well-balanced, detailed, and Instagram-ready. With features like night mode, portrait mode, and 4K video recording, the Vivo V50 is a powerhouse for photography lovers. On the front, the 32MP selfie camera ensures sharp and well-exposed selfies, perfect for social media, video calls, and vlogging. The Vivo V50 is powered by a massive 6,000 mAh battery, ensuring all-day usage on a single charge. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or browsing, this battery will keep you going without worrying about frequent recharges. With 90W fast charging, the Vivo V50 can charge from 0 to 100% in just under 40 minutes, getting you back to full power in no time. Additionally, it supports reverse wired charging, allowing you to charge other devices on the go. Running on Android 15 with Vivo's FunTouch OS 15, the Vivo V50 delivers a clean, customizable, and feature-rich experience. Vivo has refined FunTouch OS to be lighter, faster, and more intuitive, with features like AI-powered smart optimization enhances battery life and app performance based on usage. Advanced gesture controls provides smooth and intuitive navigation. Multi-Turbo 7.0 optimizes gaming performance for lower latency and better frame rates. With regular software updates, Vivo ensures that the V50 remains secure and up-to-date with the latest features. The Vivo V50 is not just about performance, it also brings a sleek and stylish design, complete with flagship-grade extras, IP68 plus IP69 water and dust resistance provides protection against splashes, rain, and dust. Under-display fingerprint sensor, fast and secure biometric unlocking. Stereo speakers with high-res audio delivers immersive sound quality for music and gaming. The Vivo V50 is a well-rounded mid-range flagship that brings top-tier features at an attractive price point. With its stunning 6.8-inch AMOLED display, powerful Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 chipset, professional-grade 50MP triple camera system, and long-lasting 6,000 mAh battery, it is a perfect choice for users who want flagship features without breaking the bank. If you're looking for a smartphone that delivers exceptional performance, great battery life, and a top-notch camera experience, the Vivo V50 is an excellent choice. If you enjoyed this detailed look at the Vivo V50, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with the latest smartphone launches and tech news. What are your thoughts on the Vivo V50? Drop your opinions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.